microbiology major, this is a great asset, and although I'm not totally confident in how many other departments offer this, I think we have to stand out in the college. The first thing an undergraduate gains is being in an environment where they can actually see and talk to graduate students and decide whether or not that this might be an appropriate profession for them.
My name is Erin Breland. I'm a microbiology major, biomedical science minor. I've received a fellowship this past summer through this lab, which allowed me to work 10 weeks with a paid stipend that actually has helped me with the project I'm working on now. Research has been a really good part of my life and a good stepping stone for what I want to do.
Research is a very good thing to have experience in. I mean, if you're going into grad programs, a lot of people go into grad programs with no research experience. The fact that I could get so much as an undergrad was probably really going to give me a step up in getting into some of these programs.
I think one of the strengths of Colorado State University is our ability to give undergraduates real-life experience in what research is actually all about.
Nazanin, Kusch, Kalani, Yazd. I feel like I learn a lot of new things, and then when I'm in class, it kind of relates back to it. So it's kind of cool because while other students just hear about it in the textbook, I actually do it.
Tremendous levels of skills and technical knowledge will come as part of being an undergraduate.
My name is Jessica Loring, and I am a junior with microbiology major. There's a lot of technique that goes along with my major. You also get a further in-depth understanding of what you're working with than normally what a book can portray.
All these students here that are really excited about learning something new and being a part of something.
My name is Siddhi Lama. I'm a junior. I'm studying microbiology and biomedical science. Specifically, my projects relate to cancer virotherapies. So basically, we use viruses to see if we can affect the progression of cancer, whether it's in animals or humans. Right now we're focusing on animals. Since I started here over the summer, it was amazing because it actually showed me that this is what I was passionate about and what I wanted to do with myself.
The undergraduate research here at CSU is really a benefit to our students, and I think it's a benefit to us as well as faculty members.
This is a great program that distinguishes our department. Micro does stand out here, definitely.